We will learn about the minors and cofactors of a determinant in this section. The minors and cofactors help in expanding the determinant. Let's first define what a minor is. Minor of an element, say Aij of the determinant, is the new determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and the jth column of the determinant in which element Aij lies. Minor of Aij is denoted by Mij. The point worth noting here is that the minor of an element of a determinant of order n is another determinant whose order is n minus 1, that is, 1 less than the order of determinant. Minors can be found in the determinants of order greater than or equal to 2. By using the minors, we can find the cofactors of a matrix. Cofactor Cij corresponding to minor Mij is equal to minus 1 to the power I plus j times the minor Mij. Here I and j refers to the row and column in which the element lies. And Mij is the minor of the element that lies in the ith row and jth column of the determinant. Suppose we need to expand the determinant along its first row, then we find the cofactors of the first row elements. Consider the matrix A shown here. We will find the minors and then the cofactors of first row elements here. Minor of first row first element A, M11 is equal to EI minus FH, and the cofactor will be minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1 times the minor M11. Moving on, the minor of first row second element D, M12 equal to BI minus CH, and corresponding cofactor of D is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 times minor M12. And finally, the minor of first row third element G is M13, which is equal to BF minus CE. And the corresponding cofactor of G is equal to minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 3 multiplied by M13. Find the minor of element 9 in the determinant delta as given here. Since 9 lies in the third row and third column, its minor M33 is given by determinant row obtained by ignoring row 3 and column 3 of the given determinant delta. So minor M33 is a determinant whose row 1 is 1, 2 and row 2 is 7, 5. On evaluating, the value of minor is 5 minus 14 or minus 9. Hence, the minor of element 9 is minus 9. Find minors and cofactors of all the elements of the determinant given here. Here, the first row, first element, A11 is equal to 1. So minor M11 will be obtained by ignoring first row and first column and hence will be equal to 6. Minor M12 of the element in first row, second column, A12 will be obtained by ignoring first row and second column. So M12 will be equal to 8. minor M21 for the element A21 of the second row first column will be obtained by ignoring second row and first column. So M21 equals to minus 2. And finally, minor M22 of the element A22 in the second column will be obtained by ignoring second row and second column of the given determinant. Therefore, M22 will be equal to 1. Now, the cofactor of an element Aij will be obtained by multiplying its minor by minus 1 raised to power I plus j. Here I and j refers to the row and columns in which the element lies. Cofactor of first row, first column, element A on 1 will be minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 1 multiplied by M11, which is equal to minus 1 raised to power 2 times 6. Cofactor of first row, second element, A12 equals to minus 1 raised to power 1 plus 2 multiplied by M12, which equals to minus 1 raised to power 3 multiplied by 8, which is further equal to minus 8. Cofactor of second row, first column element A21 will be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 times M21, which equals to minus 1 raised to 3 multiplied by minus 2, which is further equal to 2. And finally, A22, the cofactor of second row, second column element will be minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 multiplied by M22, or minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1 or 1. Find the minors and cofactors of the elements of the given determinant and verify that sum of product of elements of row 1 with cofactors of row 3 is 0. We will find the minors and cofactors of each element starting from row 1. Now, first two elements 2, minus 3, 4 and the cofactors of row 3 minus 12, 20 and 21. Multiplying the elements term by term and on simplifying we get minus 24 minus 60 plus 84, which equals to minus 84 plus 84 or 0. Hence it is proved.